So my follow-up question would be, you'd mentioned initially that MES systems or manufacturing execution systems, it's part of the framework laid out for Industry 4.0, I believe you'd said. So that being said, can you explain to our listeners what exactly is Industry 4.0?
Yeah, that's an interesting one. So if we say Industry X.0, right? So MES has been around for a while and mixed in all kinds of different areas. But let's talk about Industry 4.0. Being able to grow with the technology is what industry, whatever level you want to use, is all about. So if we think about an Industry 1.0, right, we're probably talking about systems pre-electrical built on water and steam. And then we evolved to Industry 2.0, where we've started to introduce electricity and assembly lines. So 2.0 in itself takes a big move forward, as you can imagine.
Yeah, right.
Then we hit the next level, right? 3.0, which is computers. And this is not as we see them in 4.0, but this is just being able to take a computer to drive a machine or have more precise and productive automation, right? The use of robots, another huge move, right? But in far less time. 4.0 is just a natural growth of that. Manufacturing thinking larger than that one single element. Some of the items I spoke about in MES begin to overlap Industry 4.0 initiatives coming out of 3.0, from ERP or MES or WMS, TMS, through an endless list of acronyms again. You have enterprise systems, shop floor systems, warehousing systems, transportation systems, all using computers. When we look at Industry 4.0, you take this usage of computer technology and grow it. Grow it how? Let's start with data, big data, right? If I could take the machine data from my factory and apply maybe artificial intelligence to it or machine learning to it, you could not only predict automatically when you might have a machine failure, but be able to predict throughput by machine or by site, plant, region, country. I think you can understand how adding the internet helps make this possible. I think you also need to consider the smart technologies at the time of what we have now. I mean, you have your phone, your home, your car, IoT, Internet of Things, data and technology, Industry 4.0. They all work together.
Yeah, excellent. Thanks for that, Oskar. It'll be interesting to see what Industry 5.0 and Industry 6.0 looks like.